How do I start? It is so surreal. It is unbelievable. We cannot imagine what I'm going through, what I'm feeling currently. And can you imagine? We have more than 9,000 people viewing us what we are talking. And to make it real, I must thank Sachin and our leadership team for keeping us pushing for everything what we do. And it started long back during the lockdown. And it came to surprise like most of us. And, we were thinking, what should we do? How do we connect? How do we make sure that things keeps moving? Then we have a wonderful person called Sachin Jain. He came to us, look, this is a lockdown time and this is the most challenging time. Can we do something different? Can we bring something meaningful? Can we be more connected? Because people are there, people are free, they have time to themselves. Can we push ourselves? And that's how it all started. During that lockdown period, we connected almost, say, 3,000 people every day. We did live session, one-on-one meeting, close to around 371 sessions we had. It was such a wonderful journey, and we connected in a more meaningful manner to all our business partners. And then July is known to be a Forever Mark Forum time, wherein we put together a great physical platform to enable our business partners to do the transaction. And it was not just about business transaction. It was having that personal connect, because we are in the business of diamond, and that's where the physical connect, interaction, learning happens. When you meet people, you meet your friends, you meet your client, you meet your business partner, and all your salespeople out there. So we thought, okay, what should we do? Like everybody doing, cutting down the cost, reducing the budget, reducing the marketing budget. Should we not do it? Again, we pushed ourselves. And again, thanks to our leader and leadership team out here to believing in us and pushing us to do something amazing. And this would not been possible with the great work what our team back in office have put together, this wonderful platform. And the result is quite visible to everybody is witnessing. As I said, 8,000 people are being connected in this platform right now, watching all of us. So this moment, 8,000 people, that's what's important and count us. When you do any kind of platform or a forum, you require your team. Like any organization is built with the workforce, built with the team member working in this organization, and how they represent their brand, their organization matters most. And today, wherever we are, and what we are trying to give to the whole world is that everything is possible, and we are as good as our thought. And whatever we are doing, it would have been not possible without the support of every member on the floor who represent Forever Mark through our business partner. Our business is very unique. It's purely based on a partnership model. We have one side our retailer, we have other side we have manufacturers. And as a brand, we support and integrate both this business unit and try to build something more aspirational and more meaningful for our end consumer. And what should I say about the theme is meaningful tomorrow. So it is in our hand that how we build our tomorrow. So yesterday it was the first day of our platform, we had around 7,000 plus people going into live. Nobody ever thought that we will be able to do a business transaction on a digital platform. And we did. We had some challenges, small wins, big wins, but end of the day, we are on the track to touch our 2019 numbers. I think that's the most positive sign we are bringing into the table. And all this would not have been possible without the support of the sales staff on the ground. So I have made a few messages for my team member who represent the brand on the ground. I have made a note to myself so that I do not forget anything what I wanted to say. Like this current situation, sometime in life we get stuck or hit by a brick into our head, like the current situation of COVID-19. But this does not define us. We are made for something bigger and better. So one message I have to give is that do not lose faith. I am completely convinced the only thing that will keep us going is to do what we love to do. And I love what I do. And you all out there, need to find what you all love to do. And that is true for your work as it is true for your lover. Okay? Very meaningful. You need to be honest, completely honest to your work, as honest you are to your lover. Your work is going to fill the large part of your life. So it is important that we keep doing what is called a great work. And you will be able to do great work only when you love what you do. So please keep looking for what you love. Even if you have not found, keep looking. Do not settle. Do not settle at any point. All with us with all matters to the heart. You will know when you find it. And when you find it, please hold on and keep pushing yourself. So one message, do not settle. Keep looking for it. What I wish for you all, the bad as well as the good, fall down, make a mess, break something occasionally, and know that your mistake is the only way, or the only unique way, or the only unique reason, or the only unique way of getting where you wanted to be. I will go back now to my desk after this speech. I will do something bigger mistake. I will embrace this organization much more and love what I to do and continue to do the same. The world is more malleable than we think. And it is waiting for you to go and hammer it and give it to a shape the way you want it to be. This is the time to take bold measures. This is the time to work a little bit extra for your organization, for our country, and for our generation. Because as we grow old, the definition of success will change. For some of us watching us right now, holding down to 20 shot of tequila could be a success. But for me, what is important is in this life is to live a life of honesty, to live a life of integrity. And in all this process is to do and work something more and better for your organization. And at the same time, to contribute back to your organization. That is more important, because this is the time wherein we need to redefine what we do best. Okay. So to conclude, my conclusion, the message which I have to sum it up: follow your passion, stay true to yourself, never follow anyone else's path until and unless you're lost in the woods and you're truly lost. See what you want to achieve in your life and follow it. So these are the few messages which I want to give my fellow friends down out there in the field, fighting out and making sure that we achieve the core objective of your organization. Now I would like to invite Lina Amin, my favorite Lina. She is the most charming, and everybody knows her by something called Ask Lina. Every month she comes out and gives her the right message that how we can improve ourselves, how we can keep bettering ourselves, doing things better in a better way. That's what the message and she does. And I believe that if we are continuing to do what we are supposed to do in a small way, in a big way, whatever best possible, we will get there what we are supposed to. With this, I would like to hand over to Lina to take it forward. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lina, and I welcome you to this amazing virtual platform. I come from a background of developing brands on the floor. The most essential and basic requirement is to equip the sales team on the floor, who are the true ambassadors of what the store has to offer customers in both product offerings and service skills. Every year on this platform, we appreciate the sales ambassadors who have consistently been true ambassadors of their stores and supported Forevermark with their knowledge and skill. This Hall of Fame is to applaud and thank them for their efforts. And now, it is that special moment to appreciate and applaud the true ambassadors of the brand. We wish to congratulate the following sales ambassadors:
Kishore G, Joy Alucas,
Harish Gowda, Abharan; Amit Kumar, Alankar Gems and Jewelry; Naveen Kumar, Apranj Jewelers; Dinesh Kataria, Bola San Jewelers; Pradeep Luthra, Diamond Tree; Neetu Baghel, DP Jewelers; Pallavi Sharma, Forevermark Boutique; Karamjeet Kaur, Portofino. Shashikala NS, GRT Jewelers. Bhagwati Prasad Hartiwal, IGJC. Neeraj Shukla, Case Jewels. Ratish R, Kirtilal. Rizwan, Malabar. Mirza Safdar Ali, Manapali. Neena Patel, Narayan Jewelers. Ritu Thakur, Navratan Jewelers. Pooja Shah, Om Jewelers. Shrikant M, PMG Jewels. Rajesh Vitale, PNG Jewelers. Sumana Shaw, Senco Gold and Diamonds. Shubroto Adak, Senco Gold and Diamonds. Appu Karmakar, Senco Gold and Diamonds. Pinky Chatterjee, Senco Gold and Diamonds. Sridevi B, Vaibhav Jewelers. Pallavi Prasad Zagde, WHP Jewelers. Congratulations to all of you. I'm so glad that we have you here today. Enjoy the forum. Good luck and take care.
Heartiest congratulations, my dear friends. It's lovely that you guys have done some excellent job. And I can tell you that you made all of us in the industry proud. You made us proud that you've sold our category, these miracles of Mother Nature, not basis a discount on a calculator, but with the true spirit and the true intensity of what diamonds are and what they do. So big thanks and big congratulations to each one of you. You know, the two things I saw there, when I saw the list of people, gender diversity, rock on. We're doing a great job. Women are doing very well. And guys, you all need to pull up. And secondly, I want to leave you with one message, which is that all the fancy things that we discuss in the boardrooms, behind the scenes, all of that is good. The mining, manufacturing, all of that is fine. It all boils down to the most important job that you all are doing when you interact with the consumer. So thank you from all of us to keep doing and raising the bar up to give that job, intensity and doing it even better. Heartiest congratulations to you all, and I look forward to seeing you on the platform.